Hey guys, Brian Johnson from DomainParkingMoney.net. Now, I have been getting quite a few emails. I've gotten a couple comments on my blog, and some people want to know what kind of services I use online to help my business grow. What kind of software do I use? What kind of website scripts? That kind of stuff. So, give the people what they want. Here you go. Here's all the secrets. No secrets really. It's all out there. Everyone's trying to hawk this stuff all day long. You'll find a lot of freebies in here, but you'll also find some paid ones. And know up front that I don't. Some bloggers online, they let you know when it's an affiliate link. I kind of think that's a little bit ridiculous for me anyway. I mean, I would never try to sell anything to anybody that I really don't think is worth it. So there's affiliate links in there. That's how I make my living online. The first thing we want to talk about when we talk about really making money online, domain research, is traffic. And if you want to make money online, you're going to need traffic. That's the bottom line. So the first section is basically resources to find out information on keyword searches. What are people searching for? Why go blind? Why not just simply get an idea what people are searching for, try to figure out which of the searches is least competitive, and build a site around that. Seems pretty straightforward to me. I mean, why beat around the bush? Why go blindly into a sector that you don't know anything about? So Google AdWords tool is just so darn powerful because they give you information like how much advertisers are paying. I like that because those advertisers, their ads end up in my AdSense pages. So if I can get a clue as to how much people are paying, and I can get a clue as to how much traffic it is for those types of terms, it really gives me an idea of what kind of things I should write about. I don't write about stuff that gets nickel clicks. I don't make any money. So that's the first one. Number two is WordTracker. Now WordTracker costs a lot of money, and you probably need it if you're making more than $500 a month. If you're making $500 a month, then you're pretty serious about this stuff. You realize the potential by now. You probably talk about it way too much, and your wife or your husband is ready to kill you. But what you need to do is you really need to start data mining. You really need to dig in. You need to base your pages online to search terms. You need to base your domain purchases on search terms. You need to be able to dig further than the Google AdWords tool is going to go. Let's say you put in the term DUI or DWI in Google. They're going to give you about 100 results, 150 results. Now if you do that with WordTracker, you'll get everything they got, which I'm going to say is probably 3, 4, 700, 1,000. It's going to be many more search terms than Google AdWords tool. It's expensive, but I mean, if you're in this for the long haul, you just need these types of tools. The next tool is a keyword tool. It's a membership website. It's like WordTracker. I think it's maybe a little bit better, and it actually does pull results from WordTracker. So maybe you just want to go for NicheBot instead. And why do I need to use NicheBot personally? Well, the reason is they pull in data from a database called Keyword Discovery. Now, I used to use Keyword Discovery, but I think NicheBot does a better job. And Keyword Discovery is like $50 a month. And NicheBot I can pay as I go, so I might pay them $50, and I might not need to pay them for 6 months because I haven't done that many searches. But NicheBot and the keyword database, the keyword discovery database rather, is from 365 days of search data. So it's for a whole year. So if you're thinking about going into a seasonal niche, let's say you want to target Valentine's Day, you're going to get a lot more data that's a lot more comprehensive of what's really going to happen around Valentine's Day with NicheBot. WordTracker only gives you results for 90 days. It's just not going to cut it for seasonal niches. There's also a lot of other great features you need to check out, so just go to the site and read about it. eBay Keywords, pretty cool. It's free. I like to think of this site as the holy grail of commercial products that are sold online. They give you lists and lists of generic terms that people search for all day long at eBay. And if they're searching for them at eBay, there's a pretty good chance they're typing the same kind of terms into Google. So something to think about. The second section is really about data trend mining and spotting upcoming trends online. So the first place you want to go for that is the Yahoo Buzz Index. And really, you just go to Yahoo Buzz and they give you a breakdown of as far as what's happening. Like, I'll go there right now. The complete King Tut. There's a museum that's got an exhibition of King Tut, so a lot of people are interested in the King Tut exhibit. What else do we have? Oh yeah, Grab Your Guitar. I thought this one would be a fun one. Guitar Hero. How many of you out there like the video game Guitar Hero? I think that looks like just a ton of fun, but I've never got into that myself. So I can think that would be just so much fun to build a niche website on, just, you know, whatever, Guitar Hero and all the different accessories they have, and the guitar plates, and the guitar you can actually play, and the type of music. And there's probably a whole bunch of people, maybe they make videos of like their cool songs, and it'd be a good site. You could probably make a little bit of money. So, you know, Buzz Index just gives you an idea of what's hot and what people are searching for right now. Google Zygest, similar, not quite as good. Search.com, similar. Lycos 50, kind of the same kind of a deal. Then the next section here is basically two parts. It's software products that I use and website scripts that I use. And if you're just getting started, a lot of this stuff you don't need. Write all your content yourself. Make sure it's unique content. Focus on getting content online. That is your job. Your job is to register a domain name based on a search term. Your second job is to start adding pages to your blog or your website based on search terms within the niche. And if you do that and you do it well, you'll make money. It's really that simple. The first tool I do recommend is Domain Research Tool. Now this tool is very, very powerful. It allows you to sort through hundreds of different domains, search for domains, search for misspelling domains. If you're a domainer, you need this tool. If you're making over $100 a month and you're in internet marketing, you need this tool too, because you'll use it in ways domainers won't, but basically it all revolves again around keywords, and you can do a lot of things with keywords and domains, and you can basically do some hunting for expired domains. Second tool is BlogJet, and BlogJet is a simple apparatus that basically allows you to post content to a blog through your desktop. It's formatted nicely, it looks like you're typing into Word, and it works really well. I don't have to log into each individual site I own, I'm just ready to go. The third tool is a little bit more important to me. It's David Watson's Website Header Wizard, and it has allowed me to create headers like the one on the site you're on right now in about 3 or 4 minutes. Now, I'm terrible at wizards. If I try to do that through Photoshop, I'd be reading tutorials, and I'm not good at Photoshop. I've paid out probably hundreds of dollars for headers, so I thought I'd give this one a try, and it's pretty darn good, so not too bad. Pure Text, good little free app, check that one out. Basically strips away HTML code, PHP code, gives you pure text. You can copy and paste without getting formatting into a blog, into your own document or whatever. Then there's two scripts I'm going to talk about. RSS to Blog helps you automate content to a blog. It's used by a lot of black hat webmasters, but it doesn't need to be used necessarily in that fashion. I use it simply to update a blog on an ongoing basis. I work on content for 3 or 4 days. I get the content all ready to go. I feed it to RSS to Blog, and then it posts that content to my website / blog, maybe 2 or 3 pages a day for a year or so. A fantastic tool. The support is terrible, so I have a hard time recommending it, but you might want to look for a tool that does a similar kind of a function. Lastly, build a niche store. If you're a domain partner and domainer rather, you're into domaining and you're doing some parking. If you've got domains that are based on products that are probably found at eBay, you should check out this script, because it's fast and easy to set up websites with this, and you can make a lot of money. I actually took this script, put up a site in 2 minutes using an expired domain that I bought, and in 3 or 4 months it's made, I don't know, $2,000 or $3,000, about $2,500, and it's still making money right now. So really